One warning on your Volkswagen dashboard can lead to catastrophic engine damage if you make the wrong decision. It says, oil pressure engine off, owner's manual. But here's the question. If your engine oil level is full, would you keep driving because you think it's just a faulty sensor, or would you stop immediately? Many drivers choose the wrong answer, and that mistake can cost thousands of dollars in engine repairs. If you've seen this exact warning, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explain what this message really means, the most common causes, what you should do immediately, how it's diagnosed, and the possible solutions. By the end, you'll know exactly why this warning should never be ignored. Most people think this warning simply means the engine is low on oil. That's not always true. This warning is about oil pressure, not just the oil level. Your engine may have enough oil in the sump, but if the oil pump can't circulate it under the required pressure, critical engine parts won't receive proper lubrication. In other words, a full oil level doesn't always mean your engine is protected. Now imagine you're only a few minutes from home and the car still feels perfectly normal. Would you keep driving? That's where many engines are ruined. Without proper oil pressure, bearings, camshafts, pistons, and turbochargers can suffer metal-to-metal contact within seconds. That's why Volkswagen classifies this as a Priority 1 warning and instructs drivers to stop the engine immediately. So what should you do? Pull over safely, switch the engine off, and don't restart it right away. After waiting a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick. If it's low, add the correct engine oil. If the warning disappears after restarting, drive carefully. But if the oil level is already correct or the warning stays on, don't continue driving. The vehicle should be towed because the problem is likely deeper than just low oil. So what causes this warning? Low engine oil is one possibility, but it's far from the only one. A clogged oil pickup screen, a failing oil pump, worn balance shaft components, a damaged oil pump drive, an incorrect or broken oil filter housing, faulty oil pressure switches, wiring problems, blocked PCV systems, or even worn turbocharger bearings can all reduce oil pressure and trigger the warning. Here's another important question. Does this always mean the engine is failing? Not necessarily. Sometimes the problem is only a faulty oil pressure sensor or an electrical fault. That's why experienced technicians never replace expensive parts based on the warning alone. They first confirm the actual oil pressure using a mechanical pressure gauge, then inspect the sensor, wiring, oil filter housing, oil pump, and pickup screen before deciding on the repair. Real repair cases prove why diagnosis matters. One Volkswagen Tiguan displayed this warning because an aftermarket oil filter damaged the filter housing. Another Golf GTI suffered balance shaft failure that caused oil pressure loss, while another Volkswagen only needed a faulty oil pressure sensor replaced. The dashboard warning looked identical, but the actual repairs were completely different. The biggest mistake drivers make is assuming that a full oil level means everything is fine or believing the warning is just an electronic glitch because no fault codes appear. Mechanical oil pressure problems don't always store diagnostic codes, but the damage they cause is very real. The key takeaway is simple. This warning is designed to protect your engine, not inconvenience you. Stop the vehicle safely, shut the engine off, check the oil level, and if the warning remains, have the vehicle professionally diagnosed instead of guessing. One smart decision can save your Volkswagen engine. But here's one final question. If your oil level looks perfect, would you still take this warning seriously enough to stop immediately?